Hello everyone, welcome to my new YouTube channel Video Drops. I'm Harish, a web developer and a bug bounty hunter. Before getting into this video, I'm taking you all to a quick tour about what I'm going to do in my channel. So we're gonna see about social media life, softwares and APK, little bit entertainment, online privacy, cool stuff, and a lot more. Today's video is all about importance of having a website in 2020. When I meant 2020, we all know that we are facing a global pandemic. That doesn't mean there is no need to do anything. You can find some time to do something that could potentially grow your business before you walk into those streets normally. Now let's see some scenarios about why you need a website. Let's say you are a good content writer, want to share your ideas. You are doing a small Instagram business, want to take it globally. Or you just want to create a portfolio for yourself. So question is, how you gonna make it? There are few websites that helps to create websites like Wix, Squarespace, similar to Wix, Site123, and the HostGator. Or you can hire a freelancer to create a website, but it comes with a cost. But what I'm suggesting is, you could use Wordpress to create your website. There is no need much of coding knowledge to do it. There are a lot of pre-made custom templates. Those are easily deployable. Editing those templates are made simple. I will show you how to get this free version of this template in my next video. That's it for the today video, guys. In the next episode, I will show you how to install WordPress in your Mac or PC and show you how to get WordPress paid templates for free. The links for the website which I have shown in this video are in the description. Check out if you are interested. If you make it to this end screen, then I would happily say thanks for watching my video, guys. So subscribe to my channel, hit those bell icon, and a quick reminder for you all. If you believe my content is worth watching, share it to the relevant audience who are looking for this type of content and help my channel grow. Thank you.